Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be reviewing the new Honor X7A smartphone from Honor. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Honor is known for producing affordable yet impressive smartphone, and the X7A seems to be no exception. So let's dive in and see what this phone has to offer. First, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Honor X7A. The phone looks sleek and modern, with a frosted glossy plastic material with a square bump for the camera at the back and a minimal bezel on the front. There are three different colors to choose from: titanium silver, ocean blue, and midnight black. It is also relatively lightweight with 196 grams and comfortable to hold. However, the plastic back may feel a bit cheap to some users. Overall, the design and build quality are impressive considering the phone's price point. By the way, the price of this Honor X7A is 599 dirhams or less than 9,000 pesos in the Philippines. Moving on to the display, the Honor X7A features a 6.75-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The display is bright and vivid with decent color accuracy. However, the low resolution may be noticeable to some users, especially when you compare it to other phones in the same price range. Under the hood, the Honor X7A is powered by a MediaTek Helio G37 processor, a 12nm CPU, paired with 4GB of RAM and 128 of internal storage. The phone's performance is smooth and responsive, with apps opening quickly and minimal lag. However, the processor may struggle with heavy gaming or multitasking. The phone also runs on Magic UI 12, which is based on Android 12 out of the box. Let's move on to the camera. The Honor X7A features a good camera setup on the back, with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The camera performs well in well-lit conditions with decent color accuracy and sharpness. The front-facing camera is an 8-megapixel sensor and takes decent selfies as well. The Honor X7A stands out because of the battery capacity. It comes with a 6000 mAh battery, which should last up to 3 days of use as Honor claimed, and you can do a reverse charging as well by using both Type-C cable. The phone also supports 22.5 watts fast charging, which is quite impressive with this price range. Overall guys, the Honor X7A is an impressive budget smartphone with a sleek design, decent performance, a good camera, and a massive battery as well. However, the low display resolution may be deal breakers for some users. If you're looking for an affordable smartphone with decent features, the Honor X7A is worth considering. So guys, what do you think of this mid-range smartphone from Honor, the X7A? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews. Peace out.